Okay, the last question, E, very important po para makabenta kayo. Okay? The letter E question stands for effect. Everyone say it? Effect. So, ano yung effect? Ibig sabihin, these are questions that you will ask your client na magpapalabas kung anong impact ng problem. Matigas ang towels. Anong impact ng problem na yon? Customer, what happens, Sir Dennis, with the customer? Hindi satisfied. Diba? Yung kwento ni Sir Joey kanina, nagmomotor sila all around the nation. Unang tinitignan, towel. Gaganon sa, ang gaspang. Diba? Uy, ang masyado mabango or whatever. May problema. Diba? And therefore, the customer complains. Is that a problem for the hotel? Yes or no? Yes. See? So yun ang impact. O ngayon, tanungin nyo pa siya. Tanungin nyo, ano ngayon pag nagreklamo yung customer? Okay? Ano sasabihin niya? Ayun nga nababawasan kami ng customers. Nagwa-walk away. Nagra-rant. Nagbabash sa online. And because of that, wala nang pumupuntang customer sa amin. Tama? O, that could be the impact of the problem. You have to know the impact. Now, why? O yung tinatawag na effect. The effect of the problem. Now, why? Kasi yan ang makakabenta para sa inyo. Yung effect. Hindi po yung product feature, product benefit, or advantages. It's the effect of their problem that will push them to change. To push them to consider your proposal or your solution. Yun po yung magpupush. You know why? Because the effect is the motivation. Anong tawag sa questions na yun? Present condition. Tapos natanong mo na siya ng mga problem or what do you call that? Obstacle questions. At nalaman mo na kung ano ang effect ng mga problems. If you have all those questions na secure na sa kamay mo, then when you tell them, okay, ganito natin isosolve yan. Ang lakas ng dating mo. Okay? You become very powerful. You know why? Because now they see that you truly understand their situation. That you truly understand their problem. And that you are the kind of person na hindi lang nagbebenta. Expert ka sa ginagawa mo. But in reality, nagtanong ka lang naman ng questions.